That's our ghost train. Let's move! Yeah!
Let's go!
Don't worry. Kate's got some serious forearm strength.
You got this, kid. I got you.
Nice one, kid. What tarnation? Don't stray too far, will you, Morris?
Guys?
What?
Oh, boy.
Hang on! What in the hell?
Whoa! Did you see? We just flew over a canyon!
When we find your dad, do not tell him about this.
Look.
Yeah. Looks like the railroad workers weren't the only thing the Hood made off with. This looks like one of Stark's inventions.
I'll be. Stark munitions, hammer steel, cross manufacturing. The Hood's jacked all of them.
This is an arsenal. Enough to take the whole damn West by storm.
Dad! Dad! Dad, where are you? Dad, are you here?
Are they the workers?
Yeah, well, if the Hood's looking for an army, a bunch of railroad workers wouldn't be a bad start.
爹，爹你在哪儿？爹，爹，爹，是我呀，俊凡。